Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your LG Smart TV to your iPhone using the mobile hotspot. This will allow your TV to get onto the internet using the iPhone's data connection. If this video helps you out, I'd really appreciate if you could give it a quick thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Okay, so what we're going to do is locate the name of the iPhone, then we're going to enable the hotspot, and then we're going to make the connection from the television to your phone. So first thing, let's go into settings, then scroll down and locate general, which is just here. In this window, you'll see about at the top, and at the top of the phone, you'll see name, and this is the name of my phone, not your iPhone. You can click here and change the name of your phone if you so wish. Now we'll go back and back again to the main settings window. From here, we're looking for personal hotspot. Click that and enable it by just pressing that button. Below that is the Wi-Fi password, and this is the password we're going to enter into the TV. So you can change it if you wish by clicking there and popping in a password of your choice. Right, the phone is set up. Let's go to the TV. I have the remote here, and what I'm going to do is press the settings button. Use the down arrow or your cursor and go to network. And once this window appears, go to Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi is currently off, so I'm going to turn it on. If yours is on, you can turn it off and back on so it does a new discovery. And it is now searching for networks. And you can see it has located not your iPhone, which is my iPhone. And it's asking for the password, which was hello123. And connect. If you want to show your password, you can click that button just to make sure you've typed it correctly. And you can see it's making for connection. It now has a tick to say it's connected. So I am now connected to my iPhone, and the data to the television is going via the phone. Now, if I want to drop this connection, I can just click X here and it drops the connection, as you can see. So I hope this has helped you out. If it has, as I say, please give it a thumbs up, and I wish you all the luck with your TV and iPhone connection. Thanks a lot.